In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Substack Notes. Whether you're new to Substack or looking to get the most out of this versatile platform, I've got you covered with everything you need to know. Let's dive right in. To start with, you'll want to navigate to the Substack homepage. Think of this as your launchpad to everything Substack offers. Once you're on the homepage, head over to the upper right corner where you'll find your account icon. Give it a click to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select the option labeled Home. This step will lead you right into the heart of Substack Notes, setting the stage for everything that follows. Now, when you arrive at this new section, you'll be greeted with a simple, yet inviting prompt asking, "What's on your mind?" This is your moment to share a status update, thought, or note similar to what you might do on Facebook or Twitter. Feel free to share an idea, jot down something spontaneous, or update your followers with news or reflections. The world, or at least your Substack community, is ready to hear from you. Once you've crafted your post and are satisfied with what you've written, direct your attention to the Post button. Clicking this will make your note available for others to see, read, and react to. It's a simple yet crucial action that marks your entry into the broader conversation taking place on Substack Notes. As you begin to scroll through your feed, you'll discover posts from other users as well. Here's where you can engage with the content of others. When you find a post that resonates with you or you simply appreciate, you can click the heart icon to show your support. Moreover, if a particular post catches your eye and you want to contribute to the dialogue, you have the opportunity to leave a comment. Type out your thoughts, hit send, and just like that, you're part of a larger conversation, connecting more deeply with the Substack community at large. You'll notice another feature, the retag button. This is akin to the retweet function on Twitter. You're able to either retag the post as it is or add your own note for extra context or commentary. This feature allows for a richer sharing process, enabling you to add depth and share your personal insights. Additionally, Substack Notes makes it easy to share posts you find interesting. Just click the Share button to access various options. Whether you prefer to copy the link, send it as a message, embed it elsewhere, or share it directly to other platforms like Facebook, the choice is yours. For even more options, click on the three dots next to any post. This action opens up a menu where you can do things like follow the user, save the post as an image, or manage user interactions by hiding, muting, blocking, or reporting a user if necessary. And there you have it. With these tools and options, you're now well equipped to effectively navigate Substack Notes, engage with content, and expand your presence within the Substack community. Enjoy exploring and connecting in this dynamic digital space.